Add a customer. If you are making an appointment or writing a repair order, the first thing you select is the customer. If the customer doesn't come up when you search for their name, here is where you will typically click the Add New to start the wizard. We're going to add a customer directly from the customer search icon, but searching for their name, even if you don't think they've been in before, is a good way to make sure you're not starting a duplicate account. So from the toolbar, click the customer search icon and click Add New here, and this starts the Add a Customer wizard. Using the radio buttons, we need to select person or company for the type of customer, as this is how the system will search for this customer. Now if we select a person, we will be prompted to enter a first name and last name. And note here these red asterisks, these are required fields. Now let's just click the back button and let's select company instead. Here we're prompted to enter a company name and contact name, and note the red asterisk here, it's only on the company name. The system only searches on the company name. It won't search by the contact person's name, and this is just a reminder here. Now click the next button, and here we are at their address, but no red asterisks here. We could just click Next, 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 and then Finish to save this customer record if you were in a hurry to get this customer entered. But we'll just click the back button a few times and enter in all their information. Now we'll enter the physical address of the customer using 1 or 2 lines. And we can just enter the zip code and the system will auto-populate the city and state fields. Of course, you can still enter these fields manually if the zip code is not found in the system. The country defaults to USA, but you can click the down arrow and select another country. Now enter the customer's email address. And note there is an emailing feature on the general screen of the customer record that you can just click and it opens your email application with their email address already loaded. Same from an RO. If you have their email in the system, it creates an addressed email with a PDF copy of their RO in the email ready to be sent. Here we select their preferred method of contact, also very good to know for marketing purposes. Now click the next button. And here we are on the phone screen. Enter the telephone number, including area code, and an extension if applicable. Select a phone type by clicking the down arrow, or you can just enter the first letter of the type of the phone, like H for home, B for business, M for mobile, or F for a fax line. Let's click the Add Another Phone Number button to add another phone number, and let's make it their mobile. And I click Add Another Phone Number to get the new phone number on the list. And let's say they decided not to use their home number. Highlight the phone number and click Delete. And now it's gone. Let's click the next button to open the details screen. Here we would enter the customer's resale number if they're tax exempt. And here's another required entry. See, it defaults to A. Let's select B pricing since they're a fleet. And this price level is for parts only for all repair orders for this customer. Note the labor price level is set at the individual vehicle level. Just an FYI for later. Enter a marketing tag for this customer to use for selecting them for a mass marketing program. And this can be anything you want. Senior citizens, Corvette Club. We'll enter fleet. You can also check the Don't Include in Mass Marketing box to prevent this customer's name from appearing on any marketing mailers or labels lists using that mass marketing feature. It's up to you. We can select to activate the MaxxTraxx Customer Loyalty Rewards program as well. I have MaxxTraxx activated on my system, so it automatically checks this box for me. Sales tax is selected here and is automatically set to use default tax rate. If this customer has a resale license, and we noted it above, or has a special tax rate, select the Use Special Tax Rate radio button, then click Select to pick a tax rate from the list. Double-click the tax rate you want, and if the sales tax rate you need is not listed, click the Add Tax Rate button to open the sales tax rates definition list and add that sales tax. For more information on how to add a sales tax rate, see the Sales Tax Rate Setup training video. You can enter the customer's driver's license number and state if you accept checks from this customer. And now we'll click the Next button. Here we could add the customer's vehicle by clicking the Add Vehicle button, which will start the Add a Vehicle wizard, but we'll just save that for another training video. So we'll just click Finish, and here's the customer's record. You can see there is even more information we can store here, but we'll cover that in the Customer Records Links Review and Customer Record Options Review training videos. And this concludes the lesson on Add a Customer.